Hi everybody. Today I am going to show you how to model a flat slab with drop panel. So in this regard, I have to create a structural model. So let's start clicking on this building design. First of all, our task will be to click on tool, go for preferences and select regional setting. I am keeping Canada. You can change it by clicking here. So accept it. Next, go for tools, job preferences. Here it is RC structure is important for us because this is concrete flat slab. So surely RC structure, and I am choosing this CSA A23.3. If you want to choose different design codes, then you can click here and choose other options. Here unit and formats, I can keep as it is, or you can change it. Say reinforcement area, it is centimeter square. I'll change it to millimeter square. Even force, I'll leave as it is. Other, here displacement, I'll put millimeters. That's all. So we are done on this part. So to create a structural model means I have to go for, say, on axis definitions to get x-axis and y-axis as well as story height. So what actually I am doing here? So x, say I am taking 3 repeats. This is 6 at this. Again go for y, 3, repeat here 6. I mean repeat 3 and distance is 6 at this. But numbering here you put A, B, C. This is Z. Keep as it is, story 1, 3 meters. Apply. If I click view, surely it will come as this one. Our target is to put column and the beams. So to get column, here go for RC column. It is concrete column, and then here 45 45, but I need something different. Say I need 30 by 30, and this concrete specify on concrete 30. Add it. Surely it will come here 30 by 30, concrete 30. So we got now column. Now geometry beginning, click here to make it green. Once it is colored green, then if you click here, column will appear, and this is support 3 meter down, as it says 3 meter, and this is Z minus, it means down. Now say I want to select this column. Why? Because I want to copy this column and to paste it here, here, here at a time. So how to do that? Go for edit and then move copy. Here it is 3 places, so 3 times. Click here. Cursor is active now. Click here, and for the second positions, all I got. Now again, click all the columns. I want to bring this full line on these 3 lines. Again in the same procedure, it is 3 times, I mean 3 times repeated here. So click here, click on this position and the second positions. See, all column I got very quickly. Close this, close this. Click here, section shape. So it's very clear now. We got the column. Now I need beams. Click on beams, RC beams. Select from here 30 by 60. If you want to get other dimensions, same way, click here, then put here the dimensions, which one you want, and then put it, add. But I am not going to do it, close it. So I am choosing 30 by 60, concrete 30. So what I'll do now, click here and click here. Now to get beams continuously along this line and along this line, I have to put tick on the drag. So easily I can come here and here, then the next point, then other point, then the last point. I got the beam. So here what I'll do now, so I don't need it right now, so already it is done. Now say I will select. What I'll select? Choosing again, select. So this one I am selecting, again going for the second one, then for the third one. So 3 beams are selected. So once I select that, why not going to edit and copy? So I need to bring this line here. So 1 times repetition, click here and click at this position, click at this position. It will come automatically. Got it. Now let's go for selecting this line to bring another line here. So what to do? Very easy. Click here, then click here, then click here. So these 3 are selected. Repetition 1, click here and click at this position and click at this position. So you got it. Close it. So we are done. Now section shapes. Look at. Now say plan. Beam dimension, this writing I can remove it. I'll see it later. So here I need to provide here, I need to put here floor. So let's go for the floor. I can do it through contour, but I have to choose lot of points instead. Instead of contour, I will go for rectangle, and this whole slab, it will be not 40, say I will take 20 centimeter, 200 millimeters. If you want to change it, click here. You can do that. I am showing how to do that. You can change here and here, then add it. Automatically it will appear here. But I am not changing it. So I'll close it. So 20, concrete 30, shell, keeping all these properties. What I am doing, I am just clicking here as well. This will be, say, my point will be here and here at this point, 3 points. So I got it, because here you can see 3 points. So I got it. Close it now, and this is 20 centimeter thick. How to understand or get that? If you click here, you see here it is written here thickness 20, concrete, RC floor, shell. We got all the things here. So remove this. Now I want to create opening on this 4 column position, say 2 by 2 opening. So for getting 2 by 2 opening, I need 4 point coordinates here, around this column, around this column, around this column. So best way what I can do, I can make 2 meter far, 2 meter far. I will make some axis line on x-axis and y-axis, so it will be very easy to do that. So let's do it first. Axis definitions. As I said, this is 0, 0. I need here say 1 time 4 meters. Add it. 4 and 6. Then bring 6. I need here 2 meters. Add it. So 2, 8. Then I need 10. So add it again. You get 10. Bring cursor here. Add 2 again. So you got 14. Now it is perfect. Y. Go in the same way. A. Put here 1. And here you put 4 meter. Add it. Now 4, 6. Bring cursor on 6. Put here 2. Add it. Got 8. I need 10 also. So add these 2 again. It is 10 now. Bring cursor on 12. Again add these 2. So it is done. But as it is ABCD, change this ABCD. All ABCD. Here it is not changed. That one 0, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, this one. So here it is not changing Y. So A, 1, 2. So I should do it at the beginning. So what I can do here, it is very easy to do. It's not a hard thing to. Say here I am deleting. Say here I delete this. I delete this, then this, I delete this. Now it is ABCD. So now I already changed ABC, so now it will come automatically. On that time it was 1, 2, 3, that's why it did not come. So whenever you do it, you change this numbering beginning. So here 1, this will be say 4. But make sure you are this line. So you will get it. See, already B came. Now 1, 4. Now for the come on here and put 2. So it is good. We got it here, say 8. Again I need 10. So add it again 10. Bring it here. Then again I need 14. So I got all the points with A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J. So we have to change this before putting these values. Now we are okay with everything. Perfect now. So what to do now? I want to make a opening here. So what I will do? Say here object. Take rectangle. How to get that? Rectangle means very easy way. Instead 3 points, I can go for 2 points. Only 2 points. How to? Say here and here. 2 points only. See, got it. Again here. This one opening. Again here. Here opening. 2 points. Here and here. So I got it very fast. 2 points. Done it. We have done that. Here one important things I want to do, say go for display, panel thickness, put here tick. No, panel thickness already I have tick here, so I am not worried. Panel thickness already there is a tick, so it is perfect. Okay, perfect then. So panel thickness already is here, so we can see it very easily, nicely. You see how nice it is looking. Okay, so it is done. Now what I'll do, from the floor I want to put here floor as a drop panel, but thickness will be 40. Thickness will be 40. Concrete 30. Shell, and take it rectangle. So here 1 point, 2 point, and 3 points. Got it. Again 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. This floor thickness is 40 because it is drop panel. 1, 2, 3. Again here 1. Second, this is third. So I got all the panel. I can close it. We are done. Perfect now. If I put here view, so it is looking like this. Nice. Now what I'll do, I will create, it is called meshing option. So how to do meshing options? I have to select first all this floor. Say this is the floor I have floor 29 as well. I have all other floor also, so I have to select all this floor. So it is selected. Now I can do it very fast. Say meshing options. What to do here? Say I will take from here only, say this is 1 meter, but I will take very small, say 0.5 or 2.5, better. And here available meshing methods, we have to choose the second one, complex mesh generation, Delaunay. So click this one, 0.25. Okay. Now go for generation of computational model. Perfect. It is done. Look at how nice it is. It should show the thickness. So let's see again. Say I am putting this panel. Oh, panel thickness is not there. So we have to put this panel thickness now. Apply and okay. Now you can see the panel thickness. Perfect. Look at, if you look at here, we can see the thickness for this and thickness for this. This is 40, this is 20. We got it. Now our target will be to go for define loads. So define loads, how to do that? Go for these load types. Choose loads. Dead load 1 means it is counting automatically self weight, and software does that. But DL2 I am choosing here to use it as superimposed dead load. Then I am going for, say, live load. I am adding live load, but here I am taking only one type of live load. So these three, we already got it, load types. Now close it. Now what we will do, go for load definition. It is very important. So here you have to choose dead load 2, not dead load 1, because dead load 1 self weight, it will be calculated by software itself from the dimension of the structure. So we are on dead load 2, superimposed dead load. So what type of load? Surface load. What it is? This one, uniform planar load. Click here. Put here, say 1.5. Say I am taking this 1.5, but make sure to put here negative, because load is downward, z axis is upward. Surely there will be negative. So if you apply it, say apply it on which area? For this full area. So what I will do now, say I will select this and then this. So I got all. Now if I click here, all those numbers will appear here. Look at. Now if you click apply, it come here. So we got it. We got the loads. This is superimposed dead load, DL2. And if you want to see the value, you remember it was minus 1.5. So we can get it very easily, say minus 1.5. Okay, done. Now we'll go for, say, live load 1. Surface 1. Here we'll put, say, minus 4.5 live load. So we are trying to put here, add it and apply it. See, it is here. So live load minus 4.5 we got as a contour around the slab, around this drop panel also. Now we are done with the loading. Close it. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the load. I will create manual combination. Say I am taking this combination number 4, combination type ULS, combination 1, click OK. So I am here now. Here dead load 1, dead load 2, live load 1. All dead load 1, dead load 2 factor will be, say, 1.25. It is perfect. But live load, we need 1.5. So change it. So it is changed. Live load 1.5, dead load 1.25. So change it, close it. So already we got it. Now this 3 load, we want to bring it on the right hand side. So click here. We got it and see the factor 1.25, 1.25, 1.5. So we are okay for this combination. Combination ULS number 4. So here very easily we can apply it. So it is created. Now go for new. This is combination number 5, but we don't need ULS. We will put it SLS. Combination 2. Press OK. We got it. Basically, we need here dead load and live load. So what we will do here, say I am taking here only dead load. this dead load 1, and the factor will be 1. So I am taking this on right. Again I need live load. Also I need this factor also will be 1 because it is SLS. So click on, you got it. So you got all, but factor is 111. Apply it. So we got it. We got two combination 1, combination 2. Close it. Now if you look at this situation, you will find here, see, dead load 1, dead load 2, live load 1, combination 1, combination 2. So let's take this combination 1. So we are okay now. Now we will go for our next target will be to go for run analysis. So run analysis means I have to click on calculations. So let's wait and see. It will not take time. So it is run analysis means run a calculation. So once we have done the analysis, our next task will be to display slab results on maps. Also display slab results in tabular form. Normally slab results on maps means we have to display maps of slab displacement for a selected load case. Say I am taking selected load case, say combination 1. So what I'll do here, say I'll go for results, maps. As I said, it is for displacement, so look at here, displacement, click here. And also take with description, open new window with scale displayed, click here. Then you apply. So you got it. Look at how nice it is. Even I can do it, say this one I can reduce it. It was actually, I can make it slight. Yeah, so it will be now bigger. This is the displacement for this load case, combination 1. If I change the load case, value will be different. That's the point. Another important things, here it is actually finite element centers. If I change this, say here, if I put here extreme points, say it will change. Look at 0.7. Extreme points. If I put it extreme points on the panel, apply it. See here, it will be only here, 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 here. Value will be only some particular places. So we got it. Now our next target will be to display slab results in tabular form. Tabular form means we have to go for, say, I am clicking here exit, so it is gone. And here also, say, if I click here, say what it is, analysis results, I will go for, say, slab and shell results. Very important. Slab and shell results. Once you are slab and shell results, what you will do? You got MXX, MYY, MYZ. This is actually comes from where? So here I am putting now, say, table of columns. So look at these three are here. So what I'll do, we got these three line because you can see that these three tick are here. So what you will do, we will remove this. Then displacement, click here. Then once you do that, then you go for complex tab. Moment M. This one. Press OK. See, we got these two. We got these two. Even if we go for envelope, we get this one. Anyway, we are putting on values, so we got it. I think for this video we are up to this. For next video, actually I will discuss about how to calculate the required reinforcement area and also how to calculate the provided reinforcement area. In next two videos or next one video, I'll discuss about this. And we are all done up to this.